What's going on, Crypto Buyer Nation? This is the Crypto Buyer Podcast coming to you live on December 4th, 2017. Another epic day in the crypto space. Crypto market cap, let's go over it. Where are we at? $343 billion. That is, we are on the unbelievable pace to hit $500 billion market cap in the crypto space before 2018. Wow, that would be epic. I would be speechless if we gained that much new money into the market prior to the new year, which is definitely feasible at the rate we're going. So, hold on for the ride. Let's go over some coins. Since the massive run up, 2 or 3 days ago, all these were in the green, and they were in the green in like the 15 to 20%. So, very mild pullback, which is good to see. Anytime something's down 3, 5, 4%, things like that, that's a decent, good correction. As long as we maintain that, we can shoot off that and go pretty high. So Bitcoin coming in at $11,418. I'm going to call it $15,000 Bitcoin before the new year. That could be off maybe by a couple thousand, but because we are so high up in price, $1,000 dips are going to start to become the norm, people. So get used to it. Which is crazy to think this time last year, if we were talking about $1,000 dips, we would be going down to zero. So crazy times in the crypto space, but as Bitcoin grows, so do the rises and the falls. So $1,000 drops are not going to be unheard of. There's going to be a really good day where $10,000 drops are not going to be unheard of, but that's coming. Ethereum up, not as high as it was. Bitcoin Cash. Now, something to think about on Bitcoin Cash, folks, is I was watching a YouTube video channel that I watch very often when I'm doing some research for this podcast, and the guy made a comment about Bitcoin Cash. He saw Bitcoin Cash probably going down in the first 2 weeks of January. That makes a lot of sense, and you say, well, how can you see that? How can you see that out in the charts? It has nothing to do with the charts. It has everything to do with the fact that Coinbase, if you're a Coinbase user and you had Bitcoin during the fork in August, you still haven't got your Bitcoin Cash yet. Okay? Coinbase came out with a statement that said they are working through the system and that you will have your Bitcoin Cash at the beginning of the year. So if Coinbase issues all this Bitcoin Cash out to all of their users, there's going to be a pretty large dump in the price, I would assume. So if somebody had, let's say, 2 Bitcoin on Coinbase during the fork, then, January, the first 2 weeks of January, they're going to have, at this point, they're going to have an extra $3,000. Well, that's pretty good. So most people are going to just cash that out and either spend it or they're going to push it into other coins. They might push it into Bitcoin, might push it into Ethereum. But there's going to be a large dump of Bitcoin Cash. So there's going to be an amazing buying opportunity for Bitcoin Cash the first 2 weeks of January. So if you are a long-term crypto holder or you're a big-time crypto believer, I would look out for Bitcoin Cash the first 2 weeks of January. If you see it going down, I'm even going to say if it goes down into the $600-$700 range, don't freak out and say, oh, Bitcoin Cash is out. Everybody's getting out of Bitcoin Cash. It's going to nothing, this, that, and the other. Look at it as a major buying opportunity. Because if Bitcoin Cash dumps out and gets down to that $600-$700 range, and you can accumulate 2, 3, 4 Bitcoin Cash at that price, and hold on to it for a couple months and let it creep back up to this price or even higher, there's going to be a major gain opportunity in that space. So Bitcoin Cash, make sure you're looking out for that. And I'll keep you up to date if anything else I hear develops with Bitcoin Cash. There's some good movement with these other altcoins, guys. Let's see. IOTA up 50% today. I bought into IOTA last week. Yeah, last week at $1.32. Now, I came across IOTA early in the summer, right when it came out. I think it was only on Bitfinex. Had like 46 cents, and then there was some issues with it, and I got out. But I saw an opportunity to buy at around $1.30. I got in at $1.32. I'm up 117% since last week on it. I am not 100% sure about the reason for the rise. There were some rumors about a Microsoft collaboration, partnership. So that could obviously add to it. But crazy price run, especially with the amount of coins in circulation. So anything, again, we say it and we've said it in the past couple of videos, anything is possible here in the crypto space. So do not count anything out. Dash is holding strong, major run up. Litecoin hit the 3-digit mark, the almighty 3-digit mark, and pulled back just a little bit. But I really think Litecoin, I actually just got in a little more Litecoin into my holdings because I just don't see Litecoin staying in the 2-digit range. I see it moving into the mid triple digits. So I could definitely see a $200 Litecoin by February. So that's the reason I got in. Monero jumped over 200. It's consolidated back down, but it's still crazy. If you go back and look at a couple of my videos from even last month, Monero was down at $88. So the jump from Monero has been insane. Neo's making a run back up. EOS, the Ethereum killer. EOS is the main reason why I hold 0 Ethereum, because I think from everything that I've researched and read and watched on YouTube and videos and analysis and things like that, and studied the platform pretty in-depthly, that EOS is going to be what it says it is going to be the Ethereum killer, just because it takes the concepts of Ethereum, which Ethereum is great, but it takes also the downfalls in Ethereum and really makes them great. So I think that's why the run of EOS, and guys, EOS is ICO is not even over yet. It's not the EOS doesn't even, their testnet launched today, but the ICO is not even over until freaking June. So in June, I expect EOS to be massive. So I'm going to get in now. I actually got in at 99 cents. 99 cents. So my gains have been pretty good in EOS. So pretty excited about that. And if you are a subscriber to this channel, you know that we are always big on OMG, so it is nice to see OMG. It touched $10, and I say it every single time. I've held OMG for over 3 months now, and there was a point where I did buy OMG at like $12. So I'm in the green with OMG now because I bought when it started to go back down again. But we've not even touched the all-time high, which is encouraging as the crypto space goes. So a lot of good entry points, guys, all throughout the market cap. I think things are great. Crypto space is booming. I think we're in for a crazy 2018. I think a $20,000 to $40,000 Bitcoin by April is not even out of the picture. I would dare to say that I could be sitting right here a year from now on December the 4th, 2018, talking about $100,000 Bitcoin. So, if you are just watching this video, you're not into cryptos, send me a message, hit a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel. I try to bring you real life crypto stuff. This is just me documenting the crypto space for myself. And, you know, I don't really give any financial advice. I just kind of give you plays on what I've done. And I've done pretty decent in the space so far. So I'm excited about where we're going. So I always appreciate all the subscribers. I know we had a couple new ones over the past couple weeks. So welcome to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave any comments below. Any coins you want me to look at. Any ICOs you want me to review. Until next time, we'll talk to you.